Good morning. Today we will discuss integration by parts. Suppose that we have the function in multiplication fx and gx. We can choose first or second function according to identity. I for inverse trigonometric function, L for log arithmetic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, E for exponential. Then we can apply this formula to integrate two functions in multiplication. Suppose that this is first and this is second function. First as it is integration of second minus integration of first derivative into second integral. This is a product of first derivative and second integral. We can understand the given formula how we can apply. Suppose that we have to function in multiplication x sin x into dx. This function is algebraic and this is trigonometric. How we can choose first and second? According to Eilert, now you can see algebraic function. This is a and this is t. A comes before t, means algebraic function comes before trigonometric. So we can assume this is first or this is second. Now we can apply the integration formula for two functions in multiplication. First as it is integration of second minus integration of the product of derivative of first according to this. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Integration of second according to the working rule of integration by parts. Integration of second is we have second function sin x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. We can write here cos x into dx. We can add here constant of integration only one time. Again we have to solve integration of sin x minus cos x plus integration of cos x sin x. This is the method to find the integral of two functions in multiplication. Second function we have I equal to integration of x square into e power x. Now, how we can choose x square is first or e power x first according to Eilert. This function is exponential or algebraic. This is algebraic and this is exponential. Now you can see algebraic comes before exponential. So we can choose x square as first and e power x as second. Now we can apply the integration method of two functions in multiplication. First as it is integration of second minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of x square is 2x. Integral of e power x into dx plus c. Again, we have to integrate the product of two functions x into e power x. X square integral of e power x. Again, we can choose first second function. First or second. First as it is integration of e power x. We can write here minus integration of derivative of first, integration of second. We can write here into dx plus c. We can write here integration of we have integration of the product of x into e power x. X as first and e power x as second. We have chosen. First as it is integration of second minus integration of derivative of first, integration of second. We have applied here. Now we have to write next step x square e power x minus 2 bracket x integration of e power x minus integration of e power x again until bracket plus. Now we can multiply by minus 2 in the given bracket to simplify the given question. Now see again x square first function and e power x second function. So we can write here first as it is integration of second minus integration of product of first function derivative integration of second function. Derivative of x square is 2x. Integration of x e power x is e power x. We have again algebraic function and exponential function. We have to apply again same formula because again we have to function in multiplication. We have choose first or second. First as it is integration of second minus integration of derivative of first into integration of second. We have e power x to integrate. Integral of e power x is simple. And we can write here integral of e power x as e power x. Multiply by minus 2. We can write here minus 2x e power x minus into minus 2 equal to plus 2 e power x plus c. Now we will discuss more example. Next function we have only tan inverse x, but we don't have standard integral of tan inverse x. But we know that we can apply here the integration of a function in multiplication. We can multiply by 1. According to IRAC, inverse trigonometric function we can choose as first and second. Now, tan inverse x as it is integration of 1 with respect to x. Now, derivative of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x into integral of 1 with respect to x is x. We can write here x into tan inverse x minus x dx upon 1 plus x square plus. We can substitute here 1 plus x square 1 plus x square equal to 3. Now differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of x square 2x. We can write here 2x dx equal to value of x dx is dt by 2. We have x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 1 upon t dt plus integral of 1 upon t. We can write log mod of t plus c. Value of t we can substitute x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus. This is the integral of tan inverse x. Applying the integration by parts.